Welcome to my channel Shaurya's Knowledge Hut. Today I am back with the squad of Sunrisers Hyderabad or SRH. So let's start. David Warner, who is also the captain, Kane Williamson, Manish Pandey, Priyank Garg, Virat Singh, Abdul Samad, and Jason Roy, who was brought in as the replacement for Mitchell Marsh, who got injured. All-rounders Kedar Jadhav, Vijay Shankar, Abhishek Sharma, Jason Holder and Mohammad Nabi. Wicket Keepers Johnny Bairstow, Shrivats Goswami and Vridhiman Saha. Bowlers Basil Thampi, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Jagdish Suchit, Khalil Ahmed, Mujibur Rahman, Rashid Khan, Sandeep Sharma, Shehbaz Nadeem, Siddharth Kaul and T. Natarajan. So friends, I hope you liked the video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.